Are you ready for some football? Stay tuned. Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Welcome to my channel. Today I am happy to be collaborating and teaming up, no pun intended, with my good friend Nateida. You know her as Sew Natural Dane. Anyway, we are both gonna cheer on our favorite teams today. Unfortunately, they don't play each other this year. We tried to do that, but they just don't have the schedule that they play this year. My team is the Steelers. My husband's been a Steelers fan since this number was popular. Do you have any idea? Maybe? That's right. Back in the 70s, we were Steelers fans and still are today. So my husband said he wants his jersey to say Lambert, but which is a quarterback from way back. But I decided to do Bradshaw today. Basically, you've probably already figured out that the pattern we're using today is the game day jersey from Love Notions. There is a men's version, a ladies version, and a kids version, so there isn't anybody in your family you can't make a jersey for. The ladies version goes from extra small to 5X. The men's goes from extra small to 5X as well, only in men's sizes, so sized up a little bit from ladies. And then the kids jersey goes from 2T to 16. So there just really isn't anybody that gets left out with this pattern. If you go back and see my other video on the game day shirt, you'll see that I made the tiniest little football jersey ever. So you can check that out as well. But I want to review this pattern and just highlight a couple things I really like about it. Okay, so I didn't do the fabric stripes that normally are on the arms. What I did was vinyl. If you do use vinyl on the arms, remember to not take it all the way around so that the sleeve can still stretch, which is necessary for you to take it on and off, of course, and also comfortable to wear it. You wouldn't want to be able to not raise your arms and that kind of thing. So definitely just take it, you know, I think this was 10 inches around that I did and left the rest underneath. All right. Everything in the way of embellishment I did with heat transfer vinyl. It's just easier and I think a little more authentic when you get right down to it. So I was really happy to test the men's version of the game day shirt when they first introduced this pattern. It is just a fabulous pattern. The fit is great. I made the ladies extra large, starting with the full bust large up here and then extra large in the waist and hips. Worked out really well for me. I've got plenty of room. This is cotton lycra that I decided to use. You can get the football mesh and I will put a link to it down below. Pico Textiles carries it and I did get some in red for my little jersey, but I just didn't have the time to order it for this one, and I actually really like wearing cotton lycra anyway, so that was fine with me. The other thing I want to tell you, as far as wearability goes, this is like you can wear this anywhere, definitely on game day, but a lot of other times too. It's a really nice, comfortable shirt to wear. It has a split hem. I like that a lot. It makes it lay really nice over your hips. And it could be just adapted in a lot of different ways. And it's a super duper good gift for somebody. As far as ease of construction goes, it's a V-neck, but it's not a difficult V-neck because it's actually wrapped. So there really isn't any fussing for it. It's a super easy V-neck t-shirt. So if you are one of those people who likes to wear a V-neck shirt, but you don't like to sew V-necks. I love to, but you know, there's a lot of people who just feel really unsure of themselves with that, and that's understandable. And yet maybe you want to whip up a quick shirt. This is a great shirt because it just overlaps and there really isn't any fussing that you need to do over the V-neck, which is great. As far as fabrics go, you can use just about any t-shirt fabric that you have. I have made it in just a cotton blend jersey that worked out really well. I've used football mesh, but I did layer that over cotton lycra for the little version that I did. This is a heavier cotton lycra, and I like that for this time of year because you can go outside and it does provide a little bit of warmth. Of course, you can always put a turtleneck underneath them in the wintertime, but because I wanted it to look like a semi-authentic jersey, I just did the short sleeves. As far as pricing for these patterns goes, the ladies and men's are both $12 each, and the kids version is $10. So it's kind of a good deal. You might ask me how I found the cut files for the letters and the Steelers logo and all that. So it's really simple. These are just rectangles, and you just size them the way you need them. I got this from sportslogo.net. They have SVGs of almost any logo that you can imagine. So you just go there and you download the SVG. It's completely free. And the letters, of course, are just a font. So super easy to do. And I just love it. So anyway, quick video today. I know it's Sunday. So have a fabulous day with your family. I will see you later. Happy sewing.